Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can use jam tracks in Fortnite as emotes in Battle Royale. So, of course you can use them on the festival stage, but you can actually also use them in Battle Royale. So, let's hop on Fortnite. Now, first you can buy these jam tracks in the item shop if you find them. They're usually quite low down. Right here we have them. So you have different jam tracks. They all cost 500 V-Bucks. You can go ahead and buy one, and then you can go to your locker, go to jam tracks, and you can equip the different jam tracks. So just click on plus, select which one you want to have here. Let's do this one. And now we have this jam track in our third jam track slot. So you can add all your jam tracks here, and then to use them, you can't use them in the lobby yet. You have to go into a battle royale game or ranked, some normal game. While you're loading in, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. And if you have any more questions, any videos you want to see in the future, just comment down below and I'll be happy to make those videos and answer any of your questions. So now that I'm in a battle royale game, you just switch to your emote, so press your emote button. So for me that's B, and then you can see here at the top you can select different things. Select locker, jam loops, select the one you want to use and start jamming. So that's how this works, and make sure to try it out and comment down below if you have any more questions.